All right, so the next item that we're going to review is something that's bought for the Glocks. So this is the Ludex speed loader. My Glock 19 that I just got had a speed loader that came straight from Glock in the package. Wasn't really fond of it, so ended up with this guy. Whenever you open up the package, it just has a band around it. Obviously, I've already got into it, played around with it for a couple days, made sure that it was actually worth doing a product review on before I did anything. But this does work for both 9mm and 40. So give me a second and we'll get this ready to go and we'll show you what it looks like. So we're going to start out with the 40 first. So just to show you how simple it is, take the bullet, put it down in there, go with the 40 mag. It's in there. All right, so we'll let my assistant start loading it up and we'll get to going on it. Go ahead. Okay, so now you've got a 40 magazine fully loaded. Get it moved out of the way. We'll move over to this 9mm and we'll get those done just to show you that it does both of them. So she'll go ahead and put a 9 in there and we'll get that one started. I didn't think I got it. Pull that one back. There we go. You can feel a difference in it when it actually goes. I say that and then I don't get that one. But whenever you do a double feed, that's what it ends up looking like. So we'll just get rid of one of them. Get it done in there. You can see it took it just fine. So. And there you've got a fully loaded 9. See, completely empty. But that's what that one looks like. So again, this is the Ludex, and it's the case that it comes in. Comes with the instruction manual, which, let's be honest, I haven't even opened yet to look at. But as always, I will keep the description updated with its lifespan, any kind of issues that I have with it, any different types of ammunitions that I try that it does not agree with. But I will be using it on my 40 and my 9. And then if I've got any issues, I will keep you guys in the loop. Thanks for watching.